Que lo que todos. You can tell that this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm looking a little rough. I didn't try to do my hair. I didn't put on nice clothes. This is like a sleeping shirt. But the reason why I'm doing all this and we're skipping the intro is I'm just super excited to get this video out to y'all. I think it's going to help a lot of y'all. So I want to make it as low production and as little work as possible so you can get it ASAP. A subscriber under the name Invisible Graveyard asked me if I had a trick to pronounce gracias. And I've been thinking about that. This was just like a couple days ago, and there should be a trick for this, and I struggled to pronounce that for so long. So I thought long and hard about it, and I've got a trick for you. Okay, so what I want you to do is say the word gutta, like gutter, but not the proper way, gutta. Don't make it gutta, gutta, like with D's, gutta. Okay, so then after you get gutta, bear with me, okay? I know you're like, this is crazy, this ain't gonna work. It's gonna work, I promise, okay? So then once you got gutta, make it a fancy gutta, like gutta. She's in the gutta. Pronounce it quickly. Gutta, 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 gutta. So once you've got gutta down pretty good, it's gonna sound a lot like gra. You should be able to hear the he, r, a in what you're saying. So once you get used to gutta, try to make sure that you hear that and that you're changing it in your mind to gra. You don't want to have to think gutta every time that you want to pronounce a word like gracias. So slowly transition from gutta to gra. Then all you have to do is add cias at the end. Gracias. Smush it together a little bit closer. Gracias. You shouldn't be able to hear any difference between me saying gutta, like we learned in the beginning, gracias, and gracias. I'm going to say it fast with gutta so that you can hear what it sounds like. Gracias or gracias. They sound the same. See, this is why I was in such a hurry to get this to you guys. I'm super excited. I really hope that this helps you guys, and please let me know in the comments if it does help you. If you have any other tricks that you use, let us know, because we're always looking for tricks around here. Like, let us know, please.